Now this is my Super Meteor 650. The first service was done just a few days back and the bike finally has a pair of aftermarket exhausts. So it's a very neat packaging from AEW. Two of these boxes, one for each exhaust, and they both come into this packet. This is the main unit, and two supporting things also come in. This is the clip, and of course this is the bracket that goes to the foot peg, rear foot peg. Super easy installation, and for the prices and how to contact them, all the details are in the description section below. Now for the fitment, this particular plate will also go away, and we'll repeat the same thing here as well. A quick look at both the exhaust. The stock one is on the right side and the AEW with the embossing on the left side. This is the matte finish. You also have a glossy finish option on this one. So this one is done, and this is how it looks as compared to the stock exhaust, and a view from the back of both the outlets. This one and this one. This also has a proper neat cap over here. So the original plate is gone. This plate is gone, and in comes a much smaller plate like this one. So AEW exhaust, they are on the bike. I went for a spin as well, but before I make you hear the exhaust note on the move, on a standstill, how does it feel? Well, let me just start the bike. Excuse me, some dogs around, so you might hear them barking. Anyways, it's thankfully not very loud at all at idling or even at low revs. When you are just riding in traffic, it's not loud enough for the cops to notice you. That is a superb thing about the exhaust. However, when I rev, so you can make out that the moment you start revving the motorcycle, the twin cylinder exhaust note comes out in its purest form. Something I really wanted from the exhaust. But at a standstill or just moving in traffic, people will not even notice the beauty about these exhausts. So anyways, they are available in multiple configurations. I'll just switch off the motorcycle. These are the ones which are made with stainless steel. They have a full life warranty. There are two options in stainless steel. This is the matte finish. You also have the glossy finish. Full warranty. These are approximately for 21,000 rupees. Again, the details, the contact number, it's in the description section below. They also have a cheaper option with the less warranty, I think no warranty. That's for around 15,000 rupees, and the whole stuff is easy to put on the motorcycle. I just went to a neighborhood garage to get it done, and it's money really spent very well. I'll do one thing, I'll stop speaking. I'll get to the riding shots on how they look like, and even on the motorcycle, they are good enough. So So I'll ride besides the flyover, so that's sort of a semi-tunnel effect. Initial feedback, I was doing around 90-100 on the flyover. The back pressure seems to be less, so the bike seems more relaxed and enjoyable at triple digit speeds. Let's see what happens on this stretch.